I'm gonna show you how to manually unlock your Mercedes. This is a 2018 E400. If your battery ever go out on your key fob, this is what you have to do. And I took the battery out just to show you guys. So first, what you wanna do is take your key fob and pull your key out. In order to do this, what you have to do is just push that little button in right there and slide your manual key out. And as I show you under there, you see this slot. You can just stick the key in there or a screwdriver, whatever you got. Just put the key in and then pull the latch and then pop it out. You heard it pop out right there. And then once you do that, you take your key and put it in and turn it counterclockwise. And when you do this, it unlocks the door. You see right there. But as soon as you open the door, the alarm is going to go on. So once the alarm starts going off, only thing you have to do is take your key and put it in that key slot right there. And then just push your brakes in, push it once. It may not start. Try it again. It should start right up. And once it start up, that's it. That's how you manually unlock your Mercedes. This is an E400. And then just take your key out, that little slot right there. And once you get out, I'm gonna show you how to put the handle back on. It's pretty simple. So now you just do everything in reverse. You pull the latch right here. Watch how I pull it, and then I push that on, and you're gonna hear it click. Once it's clicked, it's done. That's how easy it is to manually unlock your door. And as you can see right there, everything's unlocked and it's perfectly fine. Thanks for watching.